How's it going, guys? Johnny here and welcome back to another video. Today I want to talk about Sofi Technologies. The reason for that is because insiders are buying. So let's go and have a look at the chart. Why is this chair so squeaky? Anyway, so if you go and look at the SEC filings that are posted on Sofi's website, you can see last Friday, insiders are buying stock. It was a good time to buy last week. And why is that, you probably ask? It's because each time these levels we've hit $14 a share on Sofi, we've taken a bounce. It was a nice time to get in last week. So here we've got double bottom. As you can see on that right hand side there, it's a little bit higher than the left hand side. That's a bullish signal for me. And we've broken out of this downtrend right here. So we could pull out and we could go off to set new highs with this stock. You never know. But for me, I'll maybe take a retest back to this line. It's a bit similar to Tattoo Chef. If you're going to look at Tattoo Chef, you know what they are. They're a vegan company. As you see on Tattoo Chef, we broke that trend here. And we've come back to retest this line. That's kind of what I'm looking for on Sofi. But you never know. It could pull out and continue to reach new highs. Just quickly, for the people that don't know what Sofi is. Sofi is a digital finance company. As you can see here are the services they supply to the consumer. You've got invest, personal loans, student loan. As you can see, they do everything to do with money. One thing I do like about this company is the invest. They do crypto. I know there's a lot of crypto balls out there. The invest, there's an ETF that I really like in this company. It's got like Facebook, Google, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, all in one. So basically all the stocks that keep up the S&P 500 every day. Yeah, basically it's just all those stocks in one ETF. I think that's really cool. Also, are insiders buying because of the bank charter? Is the bank charter coming, guys? You're probably thinking, what is the bank charter and why is it so important? Well, just look at these numbers here. So without the bank charter, they're talking about it being 254 million in EBITDA in 2022. But with the bank charter, they would make 447 million. That is 76% jump in the EBITDA. So that is massive, guys. If they can get the bank charter, we're going to see some new highs. So maybe the insiders know something, or it could be something else. You know, this company offers it's all in one shop for money. So there could be something else. You know, that's what's so good about it with this company, in my opinion, is that it's such a good growth company. And so there's two metrics I want to look at, actually. So there's one. The first one I like to look at is price to sales. So what is price to sales? Some of you might not know. So it's valuation of the company up against its revenue. And the second one I like to look at is what is the growth rate of their services. So let's go and look at number one. So what I'm going to do with Sofi is look at its next 12 months revenue. And I see them doing around, let's just say they do 1 billion on the year. So this gives this company a 12 times price to sales ratio. Okay, so 12x. Is that too high for growth stock? Do you know what? Sometimes you can overpay for growth. The reason for that must be the growth rate of their services. So obviously, if the price to sales ratio is lower, like a 1x or 2x, you're getting a better deal for that company. If the price to sales is higher, as they are, you know, 12x price to sales, is it a good deal? Maybe it is, because maybe the growth rate of the services are good. So let's go and have a look at that. So let's have a look at the Q2 earnings presentation. As you go down here, members have gone up here by 113% year-on-year growth on the amount of members signed up to Sofi. That's good. Products are up 123% year-on-year. That's not too bad either. Galileo accounts also are up 119% year-on-year last 4 quarters. Lending and financial service products. Lending products, as you can see, up 14%. And we've got the financial service products up 243%. So the growth rates are insane for this company, guys. This is why people will pay that 12-to-1 price to sales ratio on Sofi, in my opinion. Quarterly adjusted EBITDA as well. The one thing you got to notice, like if they do get that bank charter, EBITDA is going to be so much better. So just keep our fingers crossed. I've got shares in this company, and I'll be looking to add more if we do get that pullback. And I'll be definitely adding on red days. But let's not jump ahead, obviously. But the growth rates do look good. You know, insiders are buying for a reason. Maybe there's something coming. Fingers crossed. And then also, not just insiders buying as well. If you look at the institutional buys as well, as you can see in the Q3 that which we're in now, we've got 2.35 billion. Okay, so yeah, a lot of hedge funds are getting in on this stock. So overall, guys, I like this one for the short term and the long term. Short term reason why, because the insiders and the institutions loading up. But long term, definitely with their growth rates, they look great. And also, if you used to look at Square, so we've got a 12 billion market cap valuation on Sofi. As you can see here, are we gonna get a similar story from what Square? So Square is kind of similar, right? The fintech digital finance company. They're 122 billion market cap valuation. And when I start seeing that and what Sofi are doing in terms of their growth rate and their members and just all their services, their year-on-year growth, you got to start thinking like, are we in 2017 where Square was with Sofi? Maybe we are, you know, maybe the year before that, you know, hit 2 billion revenue in 2017. Can Sofi hit 2 billion next year? Of course they can, man. If they can get that bank charter and all these other services they supply as well, there's so many other catalysts that can go along with those. So guys, yeah, you have to project yourself, you know, can Sofi become a 100 billion market cap company? And if they do, that's a 10x, you know, that's a 10 bagger right there, guys. And that's a good return. They're the kind of returns I look for in the stock market. 5 to 10 baggers and 100 baggers, really long term. So guys, just a quick summary then. We've got the growth rates look good. We've got insiders buying. We've got institutions buying. So the short term looks really good for this company. I do prefer the long term. Let me know in the comment section below. You win this for the short term or you win it for the long term. Also, I just want to say thank you for all the support you've shown in the previous videos. I really appreciate it, guys. All the likes, all the new subscribers, I really appreciate it. Also, if you want to join the Discord group, it's mainly focused around dynamics, but we do talk about a variety of different stocks in the stock market. There are a variety of different categories in the Discord. If you want to go and join that, I really appreciate it. Good bunch of lads. And yeah, that's it really, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next one. Peace.